Hey guys, Tanya here, and today we're going to talk about this phrasal verb to freak out. Freak out. This phrasal verb is informal and it's very common in everyday spoken English.
Listen, you know what? I was really freaked out too when I found out.
No, I'm not freaked out.
To freak out means to become or make someone extremely emotional. For example, anxious, upset, angry, surprised, excited, or afraid. So it all depends on the context. Let's give you some examples. Last night I was walking home from the party. It was late and no one was around. I freaked out when I heard footsteps right behind me. I thought someone was following me. So in this case, to freak out means to become scared. Let's give you another example. I freaked out when I heard that I got my dream job. In this case, to freak out means to become excited and surprised. So my reaction was probably like this.
Oh my God, I can't believe it!
And another example. When my dad found out that I crashed his car, he freaked out. I've never seen him that furious. In this case, to freak out means to become very angry. And the last example. She freaked out when she heard the bad news. I couldn't calm her down for a long time. In this case, to freak out means to become very upset. That's it for today, guys. I know it's easy to get confused here. Just remember, pay attention to the context. It's gonna help you. If you find this lesson useful, please give this video a like. It means a lot to me. And as always, don't forget to practice, make your own sentences with this phrasal verb and write them in the comments below. And I'll see you soon.